The only little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come.
Hello and welcome to my channel. This is The Kid in the City. I am Jonte and we are back with another eyeshadow detail. So if this is your first time, welcome to my channel. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me on all socials at The Kid in the City. If this is not your first time, welcome back. You already know we are getting into another eyeshadow detail and this is the second time I've used this palette. We are going in with the Maddie Ziegler eyeshadow palette from Morphe Cosmetics to create this nice brownie bronze kind of eyeshadow look that I'm super excited how it came out. So of course this detail will be going over the shades, the colors, the palette details, the brushes, techniques, everything to achieve this look. So if you want to see how we got to this nice bronze brownie eyeshadow look, stay tuned because we're jumping right into it. Okay, so we are here with the eyeshadow detail. I am going to the opening ceremony for CIAA tournament in Baltimore, Maryland. So my dress is like this nice little green color. And I know I just did like a brown look, but I'm going to do another brown because I'm pairing the dress with brown. So like my shoes are brown, my bag is like a tan, like my accessories are brown, stuff like that. So this is going to be another brown look, but I want it to be like a deep bronze brown look compared to like the brighter kind of neutral look that I did in my last video. So we are going in with the Maddie Ziegler Imagination palette from Morphe Cosmetics. I also created another look with this eyeshadow palette, the lavender look. I'm going to link it right here. That was the lavender look and that was the first time I used the palette and it is so pigmented. It is very brown girl friendly for it to be as colorful as it is, which I also love. But this is a really pretty palette to get into, and I'll make sure to link it in the description box. Actually, it may not be available. If it is available, it'll be in the description box. If it's not available, unfortunately, you missed out. These are the colors of the palette. They, again, super colorful, super bright, super pigmented. So I want to create like a deep brown bronze look. And I really think this is going to be one shade. Like I've done one shade eyeshadow looks before that just were so good. And I really think this is going to be another one. So yeah, I'm super excited for this and we're just going to jump right into it. Okay, so I want to start with ASAP, which is this bronzed brown right here. And I don't know what I'm talking about because I have not even primed or based my eye. So with the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Mocha, I'm going to just put a little concealer on the lid just to base my eyelid for the foundation. And then I just go in with like a little baby sponge and then blend it out. Like so. Okay, now with a flat brush like this, I am gonna go in with ASAP and I'm just gonna put that directly on the lid. This is chocolate, okay? That's very chocolate. I'm hoping that I can still get it to show. I think I'm gonna have to put another color just to bring that out because it's so chocolate, right? It's super chocolate. Let me try this. So with another flat brush, I'm going to go in with, I think I'm gonna do Latte. So we are gonna go in with Latte, which is gonna be this color right here. Let's see what that gives us. I'm just gonna put that right on the inner part just because I need something to like show that that color's on my lid. You know what I'm saying? Some type of definition. Okay, what about that? I think that's a little better. I like that better. Yes, I like that better. And the thing about winging it is I literally just be winging it because I would have never thought to put a solid over a shimmer, but I had to do something, so. Perfect. Okay, I feel like that just added a little more definition so that chocolate would pop a little bit more. So now with my other flat brush, I'm going to go back in with ASAP and I'm just going to blend that out into both colors. And then with a like a longer fluffy, I'm just going to, with no product added, I'm just gonna blend the brown right into the brow bone. See? Isn't that so pretty? So chocolate. This is giving me like brownie vibes, Debbie cake vibes. I'm going back in with ASAP just a little bit more after blending that color out. Ooh, this chocolate is so pretty. And then again with the fluffy with no additional product, just blend that. Hey! And I think that's gonna be it. I think that's all I want to do. Nothing too much, baby. Easy peasy. Okay, so that's gonna be the look. Very simple, very easy. So now I'm just going to copy and paste. Okay, and here we are with the eyeshadow again. Easy peasy. And I know I do this every single time. I do apologize. I'm indecisive. I may add some to the bottom. I may add something to the bottom lid. I may not. I don't know. I really don't think I am. So I'm going to continue the glam and then I will be back with whatever part of the look we're at. It may be the final look. It may be the bottom lash. Who knows, baby? But what I do know is that we are still going in with the Maddie Ziegler Imagination palette from Morphe Cosmetics to create this nice brownie eyeshadow look. So we'll be back. Okay, y'all are gonna be so proud of me because I have decided to put a little bit of that chocolate brownie brown on the bottom lid. So we're gonna go back in with ASAP and we're gonna put ASAP right on the bottom. Just because I feel like, you know, I feel like I could use it. I did a nice little glossy lip for the glam. So I do want to put a little something on that bottom lid. I didn't fake y'all out this time. Look at me. Oh, I'm sorry. And I'm using a very short, compact brush just to really be able to put that product exactly where I want it to be. And I don't even want to bring it all the way in. I just want a little bit of smokiness on the outer part of the eye. Just like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, boom. And I'm just going to put a little bit of the other color on the inner part, but that's it. I don't want that to come all the way up. Boom. And then with Latte, I'm just going to put that right on the inner part. Just like that. You know what I'm saying? It's so cute. So cute. So cute, so cute, so cute. I feel like that's perfect. I really feel like that's perfect. So now we're just gonna do that on the other side and then I'll be back. Okay, so here we are with the eyeshadow. It's giving. I feel like, should I do a bottom lash? Okay, I think I am. Let's just do a little bit, not a whole lot. Just a little bit, Steve. Oh God, please don't mess up. And that's it. That's literally it. Because I already feel like it's too damn dark. That's it. Wouldn't dare do nothing else. Wouldn't dare do nothing else to mess something up. Now, ma'am, I done come too far. I done come too far in this look to mess it up now. I'll tell you that damn much. Alrighty, so we are here with the final eyeshadow look, and the girl did her thing. And a surprise to me, and I'm sure a surprise to y'all as well, I decided to put something on the bottom lid. I did a little bit of mascara, not a lot, because the mascara, I feel like on the bottom, I haven't perfected mascara on the bottom lid, so I feel like the bottom lash with my mascara and me kind of gets a little janky, right? So I was a little scared, just did a little pinch. But I love how this look came out. This is so brown, so nighttime, so sultry. This gives like date night vibes to me. This gives just like, it's really cute. Again, this is the look that we created using the Maddie Ziegler Imagination palette from Morphe Cosmetics. And the thing I love most about this look is this is the second time I've used this palette. The other look was very colorful, right? Like I used the bright purple. This is very neutral, very brown. And to me, it just shows the versatility of this palette. So again, these are the colors that are in the palette itself. And again, it's just, I love a palette that I can take this with me somewhere. Like let's say I go out of town for the weekend, I can take this with me and I can do whatever look I need to do, or whatever look comes up in my mind throughout the trip. You know what I'm saying? I feel like this is a good versatile palette. It gives you colors, it gives you neutrals, it gives you quick, it gives you bright and crazy, and very, very pigmented and very, very brown girl friendly, which I definitely kind of noticed and realized in the colorful look, the purple look that I did. Super good palette. Love, love, love. Now, of course, if you do want to see the full glam and the rest of the glam for this makeup look, I'm going to link it right here and you can watch that. It's definitely like a brownie glam kind of. That's kind of how I'm labeling the makeup look. But if you want to see that video will be there. And that's about it. I do appreciate it if you stuck around for the full eyeshadow detail. Thank you so much. Do not forget to follow me on all socials at The Kid in the City. And I do thank you so much for your time. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with the kid. And for that, I thank you. Until next time, bye.